Can you be a virtual assistant without experience? Hi, my name is Alicia Avant, and I am a virtual assistant and have been for the last 17 years. To answer your question, can you be a virtual assistant without experience? I would say yes. Did I have experience prior to becoming a virtual assistant? In a word, yes, but not in the way that you might think. Before becoming a virtual assistant, I was a youth and children's director at a local church. And prior to that, I was in college. So did I have direct experience in being a virtual assistant? No. But did I have experience that translated well to becoming a virtual assistant? Yes. And the truth is, you do as well. You may not think that you do, but in truth you do, because everyone, I believe, has marketable skills that they can use in their virtual assistant business, even if it isn't in the business world. You have skills that you use as a mom, that you might have used in the past as a student, as a housekeeper, as just someone living life. And there are so many skills that you may already have that will translate into business, and that will be skills that you can use to market to other people to gain an income. Virtual assistant is very much a service-based business. So if you have a heart to serve and to serve others well, then you will do well as a virtual assistant. If you can copy and paste in a document, there are tasks that you can do as a virtual assistant. If you can organize files or emails, you can do that as a VA. If you can schedule travel and events for other people, those are great things or services to offer as a virtual assistant. And of course, you can learn new skills. Never be afraid to learn. Obviously, some of the skills and areas of expertise as a virtual assistant are always changing. Think Facebook, for example. How often does Facebook change things? And so you have to be willing to be a continuous learner, and obviously continue to learn and to grow as a VA. So if you are willing to do that, then you can be successful as a VA, and you don't have to start out with any experience. You can learn as you grow, and you can gain experience along the way. This is one of the reasons that I offer internships, because I believe that people have those skills, they just don't know how to market themselves. And in my internship, I'm able to teach them other skills, but also how to market themselves as a virtual assistant. So I hope that answers your question. And if you have further questions, don't be afraid to leave those in the comments below, and I will get to them here on the channel. So thank you so much for watching.